So here in this question, we circle the shapes that shows the equal parts. Now let's move to the other question. It says circle the shape that shows unequal parts. Circle it. This is an important keyword. If we didn't circle the unequal parts, this will be wrong. So here we need to circle the shapes that shows unequal parts or unequal shapes or parts of different sizes, a big one and a small one. Now let's start with question number 4. Which circle shows unequal parts? Is it the first one, the upper one, or the bottom circle? Which one? Good job, boys and girls. Of course, this one. Someone can tell me why are those unequal parts? Now let's color it. When we color, things appears more easily. Now we will compare this one with this one. Just make it red. Are those equal parts? Are those two parts equal? No, they are not. And the same for the other two. For this one and this one. And for this one. I'm sorry. So this part here and this part, yes, those two parts are equal. But we are not talking about two parts. We are talking about the whole shape. The whole shape shows unequal parts or equal parts. Of course, unequal parts. Check the next part. This part. This is bigger than this one. This is small. This is big. So we don't have equal parts here. This shape shows unequal parts. Let's move to question number 5. So, which shape shows unequal parts? Amazing. Good job, boys and girls. The first part, the first shape shows unequal parts. Now, question number 6. Remember, we need a shape that shows unequal parts. Unequal parts, which means parts that don't have the same size. Which one is it, the upper shape or the lower shape? Good job, boys and girls. Of course, the upper one. Because here the bottom one shows 4 equal parts. But here you can see it easily. There are big parts and small tiny ones. So they are not of the same size. Some are big and some are small. Those are unequal parts or unequal shares. So we can call it unequal parts or unequal shares. Now, after we finish page 714, let's move to the next page. Now in this page, before starting it, I want you to pause the video, answer all those questions, then continue listening to the video. because you need to check your understanding. That's why we call it on your own. This is used to measure your understanding. Now, I hope you paused the video and now you are just checking your answers. So here we have equal shares means the same as equal parts. Equal shares means the same as equal parts, as I said in the previous page. So now let's move to question number 7. Color the shapes that show unequal shares. So we need to color the shapes that shows what? Unequal shares. Now, what about the first shape? Does it show equal or unequal shares? Amazing! Good job, boys and girls. It shows unequal shares. So we have to color it. Like this, okay? Now, what about the next one? Does it show unequal shares? Does it show unequal parts? Yes. Excellent. It shows unequal shares. So let's color it. Now, what about the next shape? Does it show equal or unequal shares? Equal shares. Excellent. So should we color it? No, we shouldn't color it. What about the next shape, the circle? Does it show unequal shares or equal ones? Amazing. Yes, equal parts. So we are not going to color it. Remember, we are coloring the shapes that shows unequal shares.